Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could create a Microsoft Windows admin account. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, or even Windows 11, then this video is for you. What you want to do, you want to go to your Search tab and you type Control Panel. Next step, click on the application to open. Make sure to change view from large icons and small icons into category. On the right, the first option, User Accounts, below it, Change Account Type, click on it. Go to the bottom here, add the new user in PC settings, and here you will be loaded to the user settings. Click on the blue Add Account. You will need to wait a few moments. Here, I don't have this person sign-in information, so I will click on it if I don't want to use a Microsoft account. And here, add a user without Microsoft account. I will name it Test, and I will leave it without password. Next. And as you can see, now I have a new account in my Microsoft account. Next step, we'll go back to our control panel, user account, again and again. So we are back to our main menu, change account type, test account, change the account type, and I will change it into admin, change type. And this way we have created a new Microsoft account with admin rights. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.